Imagine stepping into a new world, a place designed to transform you. How will you be guided, challenged, and supported to grow into your best self? What methods are used to shape raw potential into disciplined, effective service members? Military training instructors primarily employ a comprehensive approach combining structured discipline, progressive skill building, and continuous performance evaluation. Their core mission is to cultivate resilience, foster teamwork, and ensure unwavering adherence to high military standards. The emphasis on structured discipline is foundational. Instructors create an environment where precision, immediate response, and respect for authority are paramount. This isn't just about following orders. It is about building an automatic, reliable response system that is critical in high-pressure situations, where a moment's hesitation can have significant consequences. It instills an attention to detail that extends beyond immediate tasks, influencing every aspect of a service member's conduct. Furthermore, training is always progressive. Instructors break down complex skills into manageable steps, ensuring mastery of basic competencies before advancing to more challenging tasks. This systematic progression allows trainees to build confidence and expertise incrementally. Each lesson builds upon the last, reinforcing fundamental principles while introducing new concepts, much like constructing a sturdy building brick by brick. Constant evaluation and immediate feedback are integral. Instructors are continually assessing performance, identifying areas for improvement, and providing direct, constructive criticism. This relentless focus on debriefing and correction ensures that trainees not only meet the required standards but also understand the why behind their actions, promoting deeper learning and adaptability. They often use techniques like after-action reviews to analyze performance immediately following an exercise. A crucial element is the development of teamwork. Instructors intentionally design scenarios that demand collaboration, forcing individuals to relying on their peers and contribute to a collective effort. This fosters a strong sense of camaraderie and mutual responsibility, essential traits for unit cohesion and operational success. They simulate stress to teach quick thinking and effective communication under pressure. For you, this means expecting clear, concise instructions delivered with authority. You will experience repetition until tasks are performed flawlessly, and you will be pushed beyond your perceived physical and mental limits. Embrace the feedback, even when it feels intense, as it is designed solely to refine your abilities. Understand that your instructors are adapting their approach to best suit the needs of the team and each individual, a form of situational leadership. Ultimately, the systematic methods employed by military training instructors are designed to do more than teach skills. They are crafted to cultivate exceptional individuals who are resilient, capable of critical thinking, and dedicated to collective success. This journey prepares you not only for the demands of military service but also instills invaluable character traits and problem-solving abilities that will benefit you throughout your entire life.